So, welcome to vlog and magnatad din karon sa kaluminhan guys kay naatay pag interviewon usan siya ka mangungoma diri sa New Baclayon, Malalag, Davao del Sur. Atong ipailaila kaninyo ang akong kugihan malibang diri sa iyahang asyenda. Wala ilain kundi akong papa, si Billy Senior. Good morning sa kausapa. Atong interviewon ang akong amahan kung unsa ang nganong magtanom nga dili daw maghangad o ipa-explain na to sa iya guys kung unsa ang mga purpose ni ana no. So ari na sa tong atubangan, palakpakan na to. Please welcome Mr. Billy Ortizano. So mayong buntag diha kalimo Brad Billy.
May buntag po sa inyo, Junior, Rex.
So atong i-explain nimo karon kung nganong inana ang style sa pagtanom o nganong mo na.
Okay.
Sige.
Go. Now, because this is a time to explain why we are planting and especially the banana crops. So the reason, according to the old man, and he said, do not look into above because the banana will grow up more than coconut. So that's why while you are planting a banana, you just only relax and do not held your head and upstairs so that once the bananas grow, it is only a low, not high. So that is what I have also heard from the old women planters. So okay na.
So follow up nga pangutana. Sige. Aside from that guys, need po gyapon siya ba nga abunuhan aside sa imuhang mga
vitamins so
abunuhan sa mga abono di ba butahan pa ba sa abono?
Yes, of course, that is a very vital that you should apply an abono because the mud is already old, so the pot of the land was already washed out during the rain floods came out. Okay, so that's why, and it is needed to apply abono, and especially with introducing with Pastor Billaber that foliar fertilizer. It is nice to apply an abono to any crops. Example, coconut, also banana and mango. That's a good thing so that while they are have already bearing the banana, it will pig their finger and also will you cannot say why is it very still niwang. So that is one. As a planters, you should apply foliar fertilizers.
Okay, so yun guys, so kung nana mo idea guys kung unsa ang dapat himuon kung magtanom siguro no or iba-iba po siguro style or idea guys pero sa kompapa guys muna iyahang idea nga iyahang nabalaan kung magtanom inana so yapod na so guys do. So kung ang ihang style po siguro guys iba, anak lang po siguro guys. So another question. na, diya. Umana ta sa pagtanom, no? Mga to'y explanation niya, guys. Nganong dili, kung magtanom, dili ta maghangad. Kailangan po daw busog para ini bunga sa atong saging, dagko, baskog, himsog ang resulta. Guys, so next, diri na punta. So kani guys, ang atong another question guys kay iba na po din.
Your question is no more.
So that's all. Thank you and for watching guys and bye bye.